I heard suspicious things going on. Let's grab our guns. All right. Everyone got their guns?
Yeah, I got my gun here.
Gotta turn it on.
I'll document it.
All right.
I'll also put it on my phone.
All right. Head into the
We'll
basement.
document it.
Very careful.
Yeah, I know. I guess.
It's ready?
Let's go.
Alright guys, we know what it is. Chicken here. I don't see anything exactly special in this room. We gotta load my gun completely full of photon. Now it may look clear, but that's just because of the gas inside of it. I specially programmed it for that.
We got an all clear in here.
All clear. Alright guys, let's go down to the basement. Oh god, the door's open. The lights are on. Water everywhere. Clear sign of something here. There's a. Oh god. There's something in here. There's a chair set up. Where's that?
Where?
Right here. Open room. Light right there, but there's just a chair.
That's strange.
A little bit too strange. Turn off your gun real quick.
Stay silent.
Dorothy, got a light?
No.
Lego, you got one?
Not right now. There's a.
Yeah,
Right there. I know exactly what's right there.
That was not here yesterday.
Alright guys, you guys can see there's a hole. I'm gonna take you guys in it. What's going on in there.
Let's go figure this out.
Right in.
So we're taking a look at what's down in there now.
I don't really see anything much, just a bunch of dirt, but there's some black thing crawling on top and don't exactly know what that is. Let's check outside before we go back down here, guys.
See, there's a Gatorade bottle.
Here's something in there. Just don't exactly know why there's something's in here.
Should we take a look outside?
You guys can go outside. I'll stay down here, monitor everything,
All right.
make sure nothing's happening.
We're gonna go grab our gear to go out then.
Yeah.
All right, good luck. Just wait.
All right.
I'll stay right here. Good luck.
Guard this place.
All right.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Be safe. If you hear anything, get us.
All right.
All right. So we've got our outside gear ready. New stuff on, and just a coat. So then we'll be safe outside. Make sure nothing's out there. After we've been outside for a while, if we don't catch anything, we'll go check back with Lego balls down in the basement, see if he sees anything. You're ready to go?
Let's find out what's there.
All right. So we're gonna head out now. Let's go check this out.
Alright, guys. Let's go up outside.
So we're outside now. We're gonna check everywhere.
Better gear. So we'll be somewhat safe. You hear that?
Yeah.
All I see is the crack.
All clear?
All clear.
Entry hole. Gotta make sure nothing happened there. That's why we'll have to go back with Lego.
Let's check the shed. Maybe there's something hidden in the shed.
Alright, let's go over there.
clear out here. Stuff to check that way though.
Okay.
Let's go.
See anything under anything? Take a shot at this just to make sure there's nothing in it. Alright, there. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Nothing came out. Tree all good?
I think so.
All right.
I think we're good. We're good.
All right. Let's head back in.
Check on Lego.
Let's go quickly.
I don't know why, I just have a feeling that happened.
If there's nothing out here, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. All right. Let's quickly take our stuff off. We need to get down there.
Should I bring my pistol or my big gun?
Just bring your bigger gun. We don't know if he'll be down there. We gotta make sure he's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, alright guys, I heard something. I thought I saw a black thing come out of that hole. I don't exactly know what happened. I heard a sound. I don't know. Something coming on. Hey, what's that? Ah!
Alright, we're coming back now. We're trying to find out what
We
happened.
found we heard 2 or 3 noises outside, but that's about it.
And our friend hasn't checked back, so let's go see if Lego's okay.
Yeah.
Who's attacked?
It's been rolling for 35 minutes.
Oh no.
That means it's gotta be
We're
close.
late. He had to be hiding back there. We didn't see anything outside, only heard stuff.
He is coming!
What do we do? Do we shoot him? Say we
Sure.
shoot him.
Sorry. Alright. He took him over. They're trying to take us as host.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Let's
before
go, let's go,
someone
let's go, let's go.
Before someone else gets taken.